Hey folks, this is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. It's Friday morning in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. And I got a question this morning from someone on Quora. Here's the question. Can I change just the company name on LinkedIn to the new company that acquired us without creating a new job in the list, since I'm still in the same position? And the answer is absolutely yes. Let me show you how I would do that. I'm going to go back to my LinkedIn profile. I'm going to scroll down to this company right here. I work for Burris Consulting. Let's assume for giggles and for experimenting that my company got purchased by Edwards Jones. So I'm going to go up here and hit the pencil. I'm right here where it says company name. I'm going to click in there and I'm going to get rid of all that. Just highlight it and get rid of it all. And I'm going to type in Edward Jones. And now here's what's important. Most people are just going to type Edward Jones and hit enter, but that's not the way to do it. Type Edward Jones and then select from the list. This is critical. Select from the list. You get the logo, and now, and interesting enough, I can see in the back of my screen here that it already changed it there. And so now I got a couple more things to think about while I'm here. Maybe my title stays the same, location, month, and all that stays the same. I have a couple other choices. I could scroll down here into my description field, and I could, if I wanted to, in my description field, notate or make a statement that Burris Consulting got purchased by Edward Jones. So I could make that statement if I want to. It's not the big deal one way or the other, but maybe there's some value in making that statement. The other thing that you have the opportunity to do here is go down and turn this on so you can share with your network. So, I like the way that LinkedIn says this very honestly. Your network may be notified of the job change. So I could turn that on if I wanted to alert them of this. Then I can go over here. I'm going to turn this off. And then once I make the change in the company by selecting from the list, decision about whether I make a statement that Burris Consulting got purchased by Edwards Jones, which it did not, decide if I'm going to share with my network, and then I can hit save. It's really that easy to make the change, but remember, you have to select the company name from the list if it exists. It may not. Make a decision on whether or not you want to make a statement in the summary section that your company got purchased. Make a decision about broadcast, yes or no, and hit save. Folks, I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I hope that quick little video was helpful.